Hey guys, my name is Marlo with Vegas Mini Mansion. Welcome to my channel. Today I feel your pain. Today we're going to clean out that drain and get rid of all that hair in your drain because that's what you have and that's what's clogging your drain, guys. We're going to use a simple tool that's in all homes. Everyone's got a picture frame and galvanized wire in back of that picture frame. So you're just going to unravel it, or maybe you have some leftovers around in the garage, guys. There's a simple strategy that you do to get everything out of that drain, guys, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now in the snap. You're not going to use a clothes hanger. We like to use this one because it's more pliable, guys. So we're going to get started with this project. Let's go. All right, guys, today we're going to get down to the nitty-gritty. We're actually going to clean out a shower drain today, but I first got to show you the shape that you have to make with this wire, guys. So as you look at this wire from my perspective, you're going to make 3 little hoops, and then you're going to squash those hoops with your fingers, and you're going to make them go straight up like this. And the reason why they have to go up like that, because when you stick this in the drain about 12 or 15 inches deep, and then when you pull it out, the hair is going to get captured in these 3 little hoops, not inside the hoops, in this little crack here. So I'm going to show you with the wire on how to do that. Okay, guys, so if your wire is a little bit different from mine, maybe it's braided, it's the same procedure, guys. If you don't have this tool around the house, there's a simple tool that replicates this. With my own ingenuity, I saw this tool and I said, you know, I can replicate that, you know. So like I said, if you don't have this simple wire, I'll show you that actual gadget you can use down in the description on how to get all that clogged hair out of your drain. But anyways, here's the wire. This wire is probably about 25 to 30 inches. All you need is like 20-25 inches though. So from my perspective, I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to put my finger here and I'm going to turn it around my finger like that, just like that. I'm going to go down a little bit more. Take my finger out. I'm going to do the same thing right here. I'm going to go like that, around. Okay, guys. And then I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do 3. Don't do 1. We'll do 3. Okay, guys. And okay, so now they're big circles now, but we got to make them. We got to squash them and make them more flat. So we're going to flatten them out like this. Maybe a little bit more. Squash it some more. Alright, guys. If you haven't been to my channel, I'm all about do it yourself. Do it by yourself. Projects on your own. Squash it again. And then we're going to come down here. Squash it again. Alright, guys. So this has to go upright. So when we pull up, that hair gets captured in these little cracks. Okay, guys? Alright, let's get started. We're going to get started with the demonstration, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys, we're here in the shower here. So we're going to make everything soft first. We're going to lay down the towel to keep your knees nice and soft. So understand each drain is different. This is a shower drain, so I'm going to show you how to release this, and then I'll show you how to release a bathtub stopper. So, self-explanatory. This obviously takes Phillips, so you're just going to release this by lefty-loosey. All you got to usually just do one. If it doesn't have screws, guys, more than likely, there's no screws. You just pretty much just get a flathead screwdriver and plop it up, and then you have pliers and you'll pull on this to release it. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go fishing with our wire. We're gonna release all that hair. It's very easy, guys. Let's go fishing. Let's do it. All right, we're using this wire because it's real pliable. You're not going to use a clothes hanger because clothes hangers are real stiff. And then plus you need a wire cutter to even cut that clothes hanger. It's just too stiff, guys. So don't even bother with that. I've seen that video, those videos. So we're gonna stick it in there. I'm gonna go fishing. If you feel like you're not getting in there, just move it around and feel for an area to where you feel the wire sink. All right, guys, so let's go fishing. Let's see what we can get. You gotta play with it. Cause there's a bunch of hair in there. You gotta get past that hair and pull out. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, let me move straight. All right, guys. See what we can find. Gotta move it around, guys. Gotta get your hand in there. Alright, looks like I caught something. I caught something, guys. I caught something. Look what I found. Look what I found. How disgusting. I've seen worse. I've seen worse to where it's a bunch of soap, a bunch of goo. Look at that, guys. That's simple. Nice and easy, right? Go ahead and smash a like if I was able to help you out. That's kindly appreciated. What do you think about that? So let's see if we can get some more. I'm pretty sure that's it. Alright guys, we're gonna go fishing some more. See what else we can find. See what we got. Also, if you've dropped like a ring or something down there, there's these little wires that can go down there. They have magnets and they can capture whatever you drop down in the drain. But please don't put water down there if you drop something, because it will be gone bye-bye. And you'll hear like a little click. There's like a little trap down there. Just gotta play with it, guys. Try to capture something. It's like fishing for gold. Hear that? There's something down there. You gotta get past it. Okay? That's why you need something thin like this. Clothes hanger is too stiff. And I think we got everything, guys. So continue watching. I'm gonna show you how to prevent all that wig hair. We can make a wig with that, guys. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna show you a simple way to prevent that from ever happening again, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to keep the shower drain unclogged forever, and we're going to use this simple tool here to keep it unclogged forever, guys. So no tools required except that screwdriver. We're simply just going to drop this in there just like this, and then you're going to take this cup. This is where all the hair gets trapped inside. There's many of these, guys, but I like this one. It's simple. Just drop it in just like that. How simple is that? Don't forget, I'm gonna show you how to take the plate off for a bathtub stopper. But how simple is that? And then I like it because it's nice and flush. But I'll show you down below in the description. There's many kinds. One for shower, one for bathtub. All right, let me show you the bathtub. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove the stopper in the bathtub. So all you do is simply do a lefty-loosey. Take the top cap off by turning left with your hand. You can do it by your hand. Toss that to the side with this rubber covering here. So as you see in here, so I just push down so you can visually see, but all you need is a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna do lefty-loosey. But more than likely, if this has never been opened before, the calcium deposits make it difficult. So you may need a drill. And that will give you the power to release that. But we're gonna just use this. Maybe you'll get lucky, like me. Turn left. Oh, I'm gonna need the power drill. that easy with the drill. Take this, release that. All right, guys. So as you can see here, see that cross in there? It's real close, right? And most hair gets captured there, but in the shower, that cross is going to be a lot deeper, guys. So guys, I want to give you guys a special thanks. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget, my name is Marlo, and I'm all about wow factor and projects around the house. So if you haven't already, please give me a like. I'm new to YouTube. So we're off to the next project, guys. Let's go.